don't kill them. We got to save them. I mean, we didn't know how old they were and how long they'd been without food or water. So just trying to make sure that we were taking care of them, that we didn't lose any of them. And we didn't even know how many of them were in there, and it ended up being 5 of them total.
Fortunately, the construction workers knew to call San Diego Humane Society, so our humane officers could go pick up the litter of kittens and bring them to our 24-hour nursery where they would receive around-the-clock care. This litter of kittens, actually, because they have to be bottle fed around the clock every 2 to 3 hours when they were so little, went to a foster home, and I got to foster 3 of the 5 kittens. When they're so little like that, when they were 1 and 2 weeks old, kittens have to be fed every 2 to 3 hours, so there were definitely a lot of middle of the night, 3 a.m. feedings to wake up and bottle feed them.
This was the first time I ever fostered neonate kittens, and it was like having a baby again, because every 3 to 4 hours I had to be up with them, feeding them. But what was so wonderful was seeing the little boy of this family come and meet the kittens, wanting to adopt them, and just seeing the interaction. I was just like, that could not be a better situation for the kitten and for that mother.
And so it's really fun just to see how they've grown and know that they came from such a crazy experience of surviving that long drive and now doing so well.